Hi, dear young scientists. I hope all of you are good and safe during this pandemic time. Today, I need to address to you my deep respects because despite of the current situation, you have accomplished something incredible. You kept your position as a competitors at our national contest Jonk Fuerscher 2020. Even if your passion for science, your dedication in your project makes you all already winners. So, big congratulations to all of you. I can't really wait to see what you do next and really wish to see all of you at our next edition. So here you'll find a path to science, your path to science. And you need to know that you're part of a large community. A community who are not only see the problem in this world, but who are also motivated to find innovative solutions for those problems. And for that, each and every one of you is amazing. So here, I also have a lot of things for you. So in this book called Letters to a Young Scientist, Eduardo O. Wilson states that success in science does not depend on mathematical skills or high IQ, but rather on a passion for finding a problem and solving it. And he gives the young scientist the following advice. So please listen. Listen well. You are capable of more than you know. Choose the goal that seems right for you and strive to be the best. However hard the path, aim high, behave honorably. Prepare to be alone at times and to endure failure. But persist, because the world needs all you can give. So again, big congratulations to all of you, and I wish to see you all very soon.